Well, hello, William. Williams, Philippines, here in Mandaue City, Cebu City. Uh, yeah, Cebu Island. It is 7:40 7:40 p.m. Uh, yeah, coming up on, and had to try this three different times. The apparently it's trying to connect my iPhone microphone to this to record with my iPhone microphone, which I didn't know was possible. But yeah, it is. Anyway, cooked up some soup sitting over there. I'm letting it steep a little bit. Yeah, they messed with me again. You remember the hot dogs, how they got an extra wrapper on them? Well, chicken bouillon comes in a little bitty plastic, and inside of it's an aluminum foil paper wrapper. Okay, apparently the Philippines loves little bitty individual packages of things that are inside packages. I'm used to buying cubes that are squished dry and hard. You got to add water and chop them up just about to get them to, or let them soak for a minute before you try to do anything with them. These are on the bigger and moisture side, I guess. Trying to get anything as dry as the Panhandle of Texas would probably cost more to make. I don't know. But they do seal them up inside of a plastic bag after putting them in the foil paper. But that's okay. Anyway, I got some chicken soup over there just waiting for me to get done with this. I went to the store to try to see if I could find some crackers because I didn't think about that when I was getting the ingredients for chicken soup. Hmm. It is what it is. Uh, that and I'm missing a couple of seasonings that I would like to have had. It is what it is. Let's see. Got a late start out the door this morning, but that was okay. Got over and rode a bus to one place, rode a bus to another one, rode a bus to a third, and was trying to catch the bus to come here when the guy said it was going to be two more buses. And I'm thinking, two more buses at 15 or so pesos each, or for 40 pesos, I can get a straight shot on the bike. The bike won out today because, hey, I'd already been around on three different buses going everywhere, and yeah, that was okay. I'm glad that I got out there and did that. And I actually found a shirt that fits. Yeah, kind of nice. Of course, it's triple X. I've gone up in size. Yay, Philippines. Had to buy a belt because my shorts are starting to fall off of me if they're the bigger ones. And 36s that were a little tight are now just right. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm losing weight as rearranging it. My calves have definitely gotten more solid. Um, Although I can tell you, they do have a days where they're kind of on the sore side. But that is what it is. You start walking more, you get calves that are more solid, and they wear out eventually. It is okay. Tried to use one of my credit cards. Well, not a credit card, but a debit card. And the machine didn't like it. Hmm. Gonna have to try it at a different machine, see what it figures about that. Because it was the machine, the ATM, that kicked it. So, because I called and checked, I'm like, why? It is what it is. But yeah, it's a good thing to get out and about and learning stuff. One of my things I wanted to pick up today wasn't ready today. Said try again tomorrow. Woohoo! It's okay. I was a little earlier than what they were figuring. It is what it is. I was making good time even though I was on buses. So it can be done. Yeah, it is what it is. I know, and I'm saying that a lot, ain't I? Anyway, I've had a fairly productive day and got around, did a few things. Bought these. Forget what the price was on. The belt cost me 720 pesos, I think it was. So $14 or 13 something. Yeah, I needed a new belt because, yeah, my other one is nice, big, and wide, but it's designed for putting a holster on. And I was already at the very last notch on it, and even that's getting loose. This one actually has like two or three more notches. I think I'm in the third and it has two more. So, yay. I have a little bit of adjustment here. Not much, but some. And it's reversible, so I can get black and brown, which is good. Whew. Yeah, a good day. And I'll be trying to figure out a couple more things tomorrow. I'm actually going to try to get over to Corban Market on the bus. I'll ride one back, motorcycle back, because I'm not about to try to figure out the buses again on the way back. But on the way there during the daylight, ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah. And today the air conditioner has been on 26 degrees. Trying to get used to that idea. Very humid. It didn't get that hot today, but it did get humid. So I'm going to kick this thing back on, especially since my soup is driving up the humidity locally here in my room. It is what it is. I hope everybody's had a good day. I think I'm going to continue to shave unless I can find some female that wants to tolerate a beard. I don't know. Not much on shaving, but I'm actually getting more used to it. Eh, I'll flip back over in a couple weeks because I get tired of shaving. One half a dozen the other. Anyway, boy, thunderstorm coming in again. Yeah, it's supposed to have a good shot of rain tonight and be a bit wet tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe rescheduling the idea of Carbone Market. It's okay. Not gonna stress it. I'm retired. I have a hurry up and do nothing attitude. I get what I get done. If I'm real productive, yay. If I'm not, yay. Because quite honestly, as much mental energy as I've been burning here, it's kind of nice to just curl up and listen to some music. I did that earlier. And, ooh, the, when I bought my laptop, my MacBook Air, I got 3 months of free Apple stuff. I think I'm going to turn on Apple Music at least for 3 months. And yeah, it's kind of nice to be able to choose what music I want to listen to. That's a good thing, at least if it's free. I'm not too hip on the idea of paying for it. I grew up in a time of free radio, lots of free radio. I remember recording to a cassette player. Yeah, off the radio to a cassette player and cussing and ranting and raving because I actually got it right and the radio station crops it. Come on, y'all remember that if you're old enough. Yeah. uh, anyway, I'm going to call it. Y'all have a good night and blessings. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Oh, and I talked to a couple friends today too, which was good. I can honestly say I didn't like the 25 cents a minute. Yeah. Anyway, lots of friends, lots of food, lots of family, and a lot more food on top of it. This is William Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish. And hey, fish is out.